Hi, this is a retractable lanyard review. So for context, the key to this building and the fob I keep on this little thing. I used to have a lanyard, like a retractable lanyard I'd stick to my butt, and I'd be able to, whenever I get like a box, I like pull it out and I'll use the key to like open stuff. Really useful, and just let it go and it goes, just goes away, right? So it's really useful. And then fobbing, like through the doors, you just whoosh, boop, let it go, whoosh, just goes away, right? I use it so much. I've gone through 2 lanyards. I'd say at this point I'm a lanyard connoisseur. So I've ordered several more lanyards after the last one I had broke, wasn't up to scratch, right? Or I guess it wasn't up to the high amount of use that I give it. So this video is some lanyards have arrived. Some lanyards have arrived. All right, take 3. Ha. Some lanyards have arrived. Sorry, I'm leaning into my goofy humor stuff. Let's crack open some lanyards, shall we? Retractable lanyards, but you didn't bank on this in your subscription feed. All right, first we have the MN Garcita. Make life easy. Right, that's this one. It comes with 2. Oh, it's big. It's big. Now this feels durable, which is good. Wow, that's got some real pull to it. Now I got this one. It doesn't have a belt clip because I don't use a belt clip. I hook it onto the loop, right? So normally I have them hook on by these things, but this doesn't have a lanyard, so I'll be going up to stuff like that. It's not very practical, you know. So now this one comes with a hook. That's pretty cool. So in theory, right? Oh, that's. Did we just start up with the... Do you hear that? And I've got a spare. So if I like this one, feels like it'll last me a long time. That's the Garcita. Make life easy. Really happy with that. I apologize for my first of my relaxed, dumb videos on this channel. Probably leaning too heavily into Little Joel vibes. I hope Little Joel watches my channel now. Hi, Joel. All right, so this next one is the LPP 334, made in China. Specifically, I won't read the QR code. I think that's just a QR code. I've got lots here. So if I prefer the dynamics of this one, look, it doesn't feel good. Feels way more breakable, but I have 5. I have 5. And there's something quick and easy about that. It's less aggressive. It's still strong. I gotta say, it's lower profile because the way I'll use it, right? But then when I'm done with boxes or with key fobs, it's tucked in my back pocket, right? So it actually has to be comfortable. It's very low profile. The other one sort of feels like you got a little weight on your butt. You know, for as high production quality as this is, feels a bit much, you know? Feels like it might be take up too much. I don't know. I'll get back to you on that. Okay. I can't take it off. Yeah, see this one might be a bit aggressive for me. Third, but not least, now this is an oldie but a goodie. Now I will say I've had this one before. It's the heavy duty, can't really read it. That's what I'm trying to read. Something labeled badge girl reel, 27.5 inch 2 pieces. So I can look that up to see it on Amazon. This one was given, a previous one of this was given to me by Gareth. He had a spare. He must have got the same one. So I got one of his, but I didn't have a spare. So it lasted me a year, you know, high usage. It's got a belt clip, so that's good, but I don't use the belt clip. I clip that onto the key thing. You know, I'm going to be honest, I don't think I can make a conclusion in this video because I feel overwhelmed for choice. I feel spoiled. This is great. It's great to have so many choices, and I need to try them all. So let's recap. I'm going to swap between them. I'm going to see which one I prefer. Why don't you have a guess? Why don't you leave a guess in the comments down below? Is the best one? Let's go in the order that I opened them in. The Big Bertha. The one I forget. Oh, that is so. You could almost hang a child from this. I wouldn't. You shouldn't. But it feels very strong. It's got a lot of torque. Then we got the little. Then this feels the cheapest of the three. Ironically, I'm actually feeling the most drawn to this because I have so many spares. If I didn't have 4 spares, I wouldn't be so enthusiastic about this one. But I feel like I'm going to like this one functionally. It's far less in your face. So if you have a retractable lanyard business, I recommend selling packs of 4 or 5 so that crazy people like me feel psychologically safe. And then the third is this one. Was the one I previously had. I don't like that it doesn't have a connection point, but I can attach it to a ring and then attach a hook to that. So it requires a little bit of jury rigging. If you use your retractable lanyards for the very specific and same purposes that I do, which you probably don't. People usually, no one probably does, but. Okay, oh, and I need to pose for a thumbnail. And then we've got a nice clickbaity unboxing review video. That's all the hotness on YouTube these days. I should know, I've been doing this for 10 years. Ready? I'll show there we go. Angle out. Even spread, that's appealing. Okay. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, no, I thought I was a crazy person with my lanyard thing. No, Tom and I have been talking about lanyards. I've got a spare of these. Ooh. That's a fancy one.
It is a fancy one.
It's a big, heavy one.
Okay.
If you like it, it's my spare, so get your own.
Okay.
And then I've got a few spares of these, so give that one a little road test.
Yep.
And then this is the one Gareth gave me a second one of.
Okay.
You know,
that's the one I'm rocking right now.
Is it?
That's the one I've got right now.
Oh, there you go. So Gareth, you and I have all, except it did break in it, you know, so.
Yeah, I've just got just a real cheapie.
We're going to do a follow-up. That's it. We've locked it in. We're doing a follow-up retractable lanyard review. Subscribe for that. That may be what this channel is from now on.
We just changed the name to Lanyard Reviews.
With Jazza.
Cool.
All right, cool.